Hello and welcome to another Miss Alley Cat DIY video. Today I am so excited because I have a Hey What's New Dollar Tree video to show you, and today I actually went to a couple different Dollar Trees, so let's get on into this video. Here is the first Dollar Tree, and when you walk right into the store you see this whole display of fall dishes and cups, and they had bowls and hot pads and all kinds of stuff, and it was really cool to see. And they had some trays, lots of really great stuff for a buck, so I wanted to show you all this. These trays are really good size and they're really pretty too. They say thankful. They had this display of their fall pumpkins and these signs, which are so pretty. They have like little beads on them, so they kind of sparkle a little bit. I think it's cool that they stand up like that. And then all of these signs here. I'm a sucker for their fall pumpkins. They are so pretty. I just love them.
That's all the fall on this.
I remember those fall maple leaves that are lights. They had those last year, and those are really pretty on. Those ones right there. I might have to get a pack before they're gone, just because I broke mine from last year, which I'm really sad about. I have some different pumpkins. Those little picks with the pumpkins on them are super cute, really awesome for a wreath. And then here's just an overview of all of that. I love their wood cutouts. I was hoping to find an acorn, but I didn't see the smaller acorns in those wood cutouts. Of course, their leaves are really awesome as well. There's some fall ribbon. I thought these were kind of cool. I don't remember seeing them last year. They're clothespins with leaves on them. There's a whole bunch of bows. So pretty. I love the red and blue truck, but I'm just not feeling those signs. It just looks like a blob to me. But lots of people like them, and they're in the stores right now, so definitely check out your Dollar Tree if you like those signs. I just wish they had more detail to them, more defined, I guess. And then they had a whole bunch of wreath forms at this Dollar Tree. And here's an overview of some of their signs that they had in. I love the one that says thankful and blessed. And they had velvet pumpkins in. I was so excited. That blue color is so gorgeous. And the orange is obviously really pretty as well. They all are, that green. Really great. And they're a nice size too. These signs with the scarecrows on them are adorable. And the little pics with the scarecrows. And this sign was really cool too. I love all the different things that it says. Give thanks, happy harvest, gather together, blessings, all are welcome, and Thanksgiving. I feel like you could use that sign for a whole plethora of things. And then they're starting to get in their Christmas items. I didn't really like zoom in with the camera because I'm just like getting an overview. They're just starting to pull it out, but yeah. It's a little soon for me, but there you go, some Christmas items. On one of their end aisles, they had some napkins and tablecloths, the salt and pepper shakers that are pumpkins, squirrels, and owls. Those are really cute. And then the little dishes, the serving trays, if you will. And then they had the larger scarecrows. They had like a blue one. They had the pumpkin scarecrow. They're also starting to pull out some of these containers and bins that are in fall colors, which is amazing for $1 if you're organizing your fall decor or you just really love orange and red. This is a great deal. These little baskets are new, I feel like. I was having a hard time holding the camera and because I was going to pull one out, but I was kind of struggling, so I apologize. And then right when we were at the checkout, I did spot these new key covers. They had these llamas um, and these other designs. I have seen the mermaids before, but alright, so now we're at our other location. They had these really cute little boxes. There's a little pumpkin one for Halloween, and they also had this one that says Gather Together. Sorry I'm moving kind of fast in this whole video. I didn't realize that until now when I'm editing, so I will definitely try and slow my roll next time. This one was really cute with the sunflowers. They had some DIY stickers and they had some acorns. These acorns are a little bit longer than the ones that I find in my yard, but those are really cool for decorating. They had those flowers, and then I spotted these wax melts in various fall scents. These are really great. I think these things work really well, so that's a big steal for $1. So I know I went kind of fast past the wax melts, but it was pumpkin spice, maple syrup, and fall leaves. And then here is a quick overview of some of the candles they have. I'm not sure how well those candles work, but I have used the wax melts before and I was really surprised that they worked pretty well. And then here is a whole bunch of new candle holders. At least I've never seen them. These were really pretty and they had like a clear one and then that other color. I have seen these before, but they're bringing them back as you can see with the little leaves on them. Super cute. I don't think I've ever seen these ones before. They had little fake leaves on them. And yeah, those are kind of cute.
And the ones below that. I saw a lot of people.
They always have these candles in stock, but I just kind of wanted to show you anyway. Over in like the pictures and frames and all of that, they had these new little signs. Home sweet home. Our nest is best. Super,
Looking
super
at that.
cute. They had the kitchen measurements and laundry guides in. These are so stinking cute. I honestly wanted to get them, but I can't think of where I would put them. Obviously in the kitchen and the laundry room, but couldn't really think of a good enough reason. But they are so cute. And my Dollar Tree had the wishing jars. These are super cute, and I know they're very popular. So there you have it. Some stores might be getting those in again. These word like decor pieces, I don't think I've ever seen them before. It says faith, forever, and then the other ones said family
All the angels.
and friends. I don't think this is new, but I thought it was really cool. It says hello and goodbye depending upon what direction you are walking. These are definitely new. I've seen other people haul them and see them in their stores. They're super cute. They're little magnets that have succulents on them. I believe I've seen those bags before. I'm just trying to find something new on that side. And then on the other side, I found some more succulents, and some have little sparkly gems on them. Super cute. And they also had these trinket trays that are unicorns. They had a whole bunch of these double-sided street signs. To me, it seems like something you might put on the back of your door. Not entirely sure. They're really cute though, and they kind of like cardboard if I'm remembering correctly. Sleep all day. Dream big. They had quite a few of them. So they had these like jars and vases that were in fall colors and clear. I thought these ones here were really unique. They actually have leaves on the bottle, and they have red, orange, green, and clear. And then here is just an overview of some of their flowers. Dollar Tree's flowers are getting so awesome every time. They are getting better and better. I especially love the little flowers that they have. Lots of very beautiful flowers to choose from for the fall.
Look at that nice little ones on top.
Those ones are so adorable. And here are some of the signs that this Dollar Tree had. They also had the some stickers. They had more of these scarecrows. Those stickers are super cute with the truck and everything. These little owls are so adorable. So this is the end of my Hey, What's New Dollar Tree video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please feel free to pounce on that like button and hit subscribe. It really truly does mean so much. I hope you're having a wonderful day and enjoying it to the fullest. Until next time, this is Miss Alley Cat DIY, and if you want to see more like this from me and DIYs and even more, feel free to click on that notification bell to be notified when I upload every single time. With that being said, I'll see you all later, or I'll talk to you later. Bye!